The idea today is to look at how to start a new song. And I wanted to start off with 3 ideas to start a new song. And we'll start off with the first idea, which is through melodies and scales and chords. And I know that people are interested in how to write chord progressions, but you might not know music theory. We covered a bit of this in the basic workshop, but I want to go a bit more into depth. And I want to show you a website, which I like a lot. Autochords.com. Autochords.com is literally it generates chords for you. So let's say in C major, I can choose cliche chords, or I can choose alternative chords, grungy, energetic chords. And look, it automatically creates for me a progression. And altogether 4 different options for different chord progressions. So let's just take the first C, E minor, F, and A minor. If you are worried, hey, I don't know music theory, don't worry. Because when you mouse over the C, it tells you C, E, and G. So I can go into my Ableton Live. I will now highlight 4 measures or 4 bars. I know it's 4 bars because I see 1:1 here. I'll right click and I'll insert a MIDI clip. And in my first bar, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, right? So 4 bars or 4 beats each. Remember, it was said C, E, and G, right? So C, let's see if I got sound. C. I'm going to choose the highest C, E, and a G. Oh, sounds nice, huh?
SM.
Then I will go back to the auto chords. And now it's the next one, E minor. E minor, the notes in E minor, E, G, and B. Okay, E, G, and B. E, G, B. Oh, sounds a bit darker now, right? I'm going to move my mouse over here and form a magnifying glass so that I can make it more obvious. There we go. Yeah. Next one is a F. Notes in F, it's F, A, and C. F, A, and C. For those of you who already know music theory, bear with me. I bet you never automatically generated chords, right? Even if you do know music theory. And the last one is A, C, and E. A. And you know, I don't want to go so high up. Never mind. I'll just do it. A, C, and E. And it definitely will work. Okay, I'm going to now highlight this. Click on the clip, right click, loop the selection, and I'm going to play. Chord progression. I want to make a melody out of this. Oh, I should have named this chords instead. Chords. Why don't I take this and I right click from the track, right click on the track, duplicate, and now track number 3, I'll rename it as melody. So let me turn this different color, turn it blue so I can tell. Okay, so the first one is my chords. Second one, now when I click on it, which is in blue, is my melody. If I've got these chords here, why don't I just decide that I will I know that I can break it up. I can use the C, E, and G. I can use maybe I'll use the E twice. because I know that these definitely will work with the chords. They are actually the notes of the chords. I am actually just randomly choosing where I want to put them in terms of order of where they appear. But I know that these chords are correct. They will match. I have no idea what it's going to sound like. I'm going to see. Oh, nice. Adding more things. I have now created a melody and chords. Do you want a bass line? If you know on the bass line, you just need to duplicate the chords. Let's turn this into a different color. Maybe I turn it green. And if I'm in a stretched out too much, I just need to take the bottom note. So I'm going to delete. And my bass line is correct already. C, E, F, and what was the last one? A. I accidentally over deleted. So for this one, the bass one, I should choose a bass sound. So why don't I go to my bass sounds? And because it's a bass, I want to bring it further down. I'm going to use the shift. No, sorry. I'm going to drag it down to C1. In fact, I'll drag it down another octave to C. Then I just add in a beat. So I don't know if this gives you ideas. There's actually much more I can do with the chords, but I'm just saying that right now, just go to autochords.com and try. Find for yourself what kind of style you want, cliche, creepy, energetic, grungy. Come up with a progression and make a chord progression. And from that chord progression, you'll be able to make yourself a melody and a bass line as well.